4th chapter. Also, we have our mascots here for all the children and children in my heart. Ayaw na si Sir. Kita ako. Ayan, you can take photos. And this is our part of our celebration in the province of Surigao del Sur. Right?